Hi everyone! If you are wondering what to make for this year's Independence Day craft competition, then you have come to the right place. I am going to make a tricolor pen stand. For this, take 3 condensed milk tins. Smoothen the sharp edge inside using a plier. Next, take orange, white and green color foam sheet. Apply a strong glue and stick the foam sheet as shown. Apply glue on the inner part as well and stick as shown. In the same way, cover the other 2 tins with white and green color. Next, take a cardboard piece and cover it with color paper. Apply glue and stick as shown. To draw the chakra, I have taken chart paper. Then using a pro circle, draw a circle and then draw lines as shown. Cut along the outline. Now glue the tins as shown to the cardboard. And stick the chakra in the middle. And that's it. Our tricolor pen stand is ready. I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.